Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fudge using evaporated milk. This method is straightforward and yields a wonderfully creamy treat. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need 1½ cups of granulated sugar, 2/3 of a cup of evaporated milk, 1/2 cup of butter, and 3 cups of chocolate chips. Also, prepare a 9x13-inch pan by lining it with parchment paper. Now, let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine the 1½ cups of granulated sugar, 2/3 of a cup of evaporated milk, and 1/2 cup of butter. Bring this mixture to a full rolling boil over medium heat, stirring constantly to prevent scorching. Once it reaches a full rolling boil, continue to boil for exactly 5 minutes, ensuring you stir continuously throughout this period. This precise timing is crucial for the fudge's texture. After 5 minutes of boiling, remove the saucepan from the heat immediately. Quickly stir in the 3 cups of chocolate chips until they are completely melted and smooth. Then, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix well. Pour the warm fudge mixture into your prepared 9x13-inch pan. Gently spread it evenly. Now, the hardest part, let it cool completely at room temperature for at least 2 hours, or chill it in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. Once your fudge is completely firm, it's time to cut it. Lift the entire block of fudge out of the pan using the parchment paper. Place it on a cutting board. For clean cuts, use a sharp knife, warming it slightly under hot water between cuts if needed. Cut the fudge into 1-inch squares. Store your delicious homemade fudge in an airtight container at room temperature. It will stay fresh and delightful for up to 2 weeks, perfect for sharing or enjoying yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.